The pineapple diet helps you to destroy the consequences unhealthy food. It's recommended that you practice it for days and is considered to be a temporary remedy. Since it represents an imbalanced diet, this diet can help you lose up to 3 kilograms a week. Pineapple is effective in the fight against water retention, bloating, cellulite. It's rich in water, about 90% potassium, that eliminates the excess of water iron that creates red blood cells which are known to transport the oxygen throughout the whole body. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that improves the digestion and fights against the inflammatory process of the organism. Another very important property of this enzyme is that it can fasten your metabolism. The pineapple is a hypochlorite fruit and 100 grams contain 40 calories. You should always try and consume fresh and ripe, as well as keep it in the fridge upside down so the sugar can melt in the whole fruit. When it's fresh, its crush is yellowish orange in color and without any spots. Its structure is hard and the leaves green. You should eat it right after you have cut it so it can preserve all the properties of vitamin C, which is important for the formation of collagen that improves the elasticity of your skin. Here are several examples of what to do when you are on the pineapple diet. Avoid processed meat products, and old cheese, carbohydrates, energetic and alcoholic drink. It's important to drink tea at least 2 cups of tea a day and at least 2 liters of water a day. It's recommended to do this at least 2 tablespoons oil of a day. Limit the intake of salt, spices and vinegar. Physical activity is always welcome. This pineapple diet should be held by people in good health. It's not recommended to people who suffer from diabetes and colitis, people who are intolerant to pineapple enzymes, and to the ones who have liver or kidney dysfunction. Here's an example of the pineapple diet for one day. Breakfast: pineapple juice, 1 fruit, 1 cup of tea. Snack: natural pineapple juice. Lunch: for pineapple slices, 1 slice of bread. Snack: pineapple juice, 1 apple. Dinner: 2 pineapple slices, 50 grams of boiled rice, 1 cup of tea. Against floating. An example of the pineapple diet for 3 days. 1. Consume only fresh pineapple and water day. To pineapple, water and 2 cans of tuna, 1 for lunch and the other for dinner. Day 3 is identical to day 1. You should keep in the mind that this diet only has one goal: detoxification, because it can happen that the lost kilograms and especially water return. When we go back to the normal regimen of our nutrition, it is advised that pineapple becomes a part of the regular balanced diet, which has the purpose to lose weight because it stimulates the sense of satiety and satisfies your desire for something sweet. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel Knowledge World.